In the previous lesson, we have looked at enum in detail. Let me recap. Enum is a special kind of class with all the instances created when the class is loaded by class loader into the program. As enum is already implementing a special class called enum, we cannot extend any other classes, but a enum can implement any number of interfaces. Also, because enum is a special kind of class, it can have constructor, it can have its own methods. Here is a constructor, here is a special kind of method. So enums are really powerful. In current lesson, we are going to look at simple examples of enum. Let me create a simple enum called direction. North, south, east and west. If there is no constructor or any other code, we can leave it as it is. We don't need to mention a semicolon at the end, but if you want, you can. Then we can write constructors, methods and whatever we want. As we have seen in the previous example, we can access these instances using direction.north. Okay, that will do for a simple example. Now let's look at some of the existing enums from Java time package, which is newly introduced in Java 8. First one we are going to look at is day of month. As you know, we have 7 days. Sorry, day of week. So this is how we access Monday, Tuesday and till Sunday. Okay, let's print all those values of enum type day of week. Okay, we can see Monday to Sunday. Day of week has couple of methods. We are going to look at one method. So now what I want to do is, along with day of week, I want to print next day of week. Okay, see, Monday and next day of week is Tuesday, so Sunday and next day of week is Monday. So enum can have methods and they are very useful. Now let's look at enum called month. I'm going to do the same thing with month as well. Month also has a method called plus. January and next month is February, December and next month is January. I will give you one example of month where we can use it. Like we can create local date, which is also from Java IC 8. Let me create a variable called New Year Eve of 2000. How do we create it? Using factory method. Local date of, so first we have to give the year, then month. Here instead of mentioning one for month, what I can write is month.January. See how nice the code is readable now. So 2000 January 1st. This is one example where we can use enums, or how we can pass enum type to a method call. Okay, now let me create one more variable called 2017 New Year Eve. Now let's try to find out number of days between these 2 days. There is one more enum called ChronoUnit, which will hold different kinds of units. Let's see what they are. They are nanos, nothing but nanoseconds, microseconds, milliseconds, seconds, and so on. Let's say we are interested in number of months, number of days, and number of years. That should suffice, right? Let's look at those. Number of days between two eves, or okay, this call is going to be very nice. Let's see. First we want to make use of a object of ChronoUnit dot days. We want to find the days between these two eves. Okay, this is how we call it, ChronoUnit dot days between. We will provide two dates. Okay, so there are 6210 days, 6210. Let's find out months. So instead of using days, we will use months. Both are enum values for ChronoUnit. These are the number of months. Also we can do years or all those ChronoUnits we have seen previously. Okay, with this example I would like to end the discussion on enum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.